Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be filming for you the base for this look. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna go right into it. So I'm gonna first start off with moisturising with my Elizabeth Arden. Literally, yeah, I apply a ton of this onto my face. In with Keyury Eyes by Versali. And literally just under your eyes. It's so important guys to apply a good eye cream on your base. It really helps with all the creasing, etc. that could happen, especially if you've got like natural lines like me. It's like a must. So yeah, definitely something to be wary of. With my Skin Tune Blur. So today I'm using the Dior Foundation. I thought I'd show you guys how it looks. I'm not colour correcting on my skin. And I'm literally just going to go in with this all over. So the shade that I'm using is 4.5 and I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and apply this everywhere. I'm going to mix a bit of 4N into my skin because I feel like it's a tad bit more. So apply the lighter one more in the center of my face and the darker one more on the edges. Perfect. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and push this into my skin. Now guys, the key to making your base look flawless is the amount you actually push the product into your skin. So yeah, I love this foundation. Honestly, it's definitely one of my favorites. And use my beauty blender and push the rest of this into my skin. In with my concealer. So the shade that I'm going to be using is Medium Tan Sands. I'll see if I want to go in with another shade. I definitely want to go in with another shade. So I'm going to go in with Tan Deep Sand also by Tarte and just apply the product. I'm not really applying a lot, even though it might seem it's because I'm brushing it so it looks like it's spreading. And then I'm going to apply some to my forehead and then bring it down. And just some here. And also just there. So those are the areas that I'm concealing today. And this will highlight these areas first and foremost. Okay, so once again, go in with your concealer brush and push this product into your skin. So remember to go up to the middle bridge and then go back down again. And then push the product into the under eye. And then take it back up to your temples. And it just makes it look really flawless. And when you go in with your beauty blender afterwards, it just makes everything look so much more seamless. And I guess the products also just sink in better into your skin, so then it just starts looking so much more natural. Always need to colour correct. Colour correcting, I feel like if you've got, so some days where I've got super puffy eyes, or I just feel like I know I've not rested, and my eyes feel tired, then I'll definitely colour correct. It just makes a massive difference. I'm just going to go in with the lighter shade and just apply some here to just highlight this area. And just push this into your skin. I'm not taking it all the way up to my eyes, just because I feel like when you have too much product underneath your eyes, it tends to sit inside your lines no matter what you do. So that's like, yeah, just something to put out there. So try and minimize the products that you put around there. And just whatever's excess on my sponge, I'm just taking it around my mouth area. And now I'm going to go in with my powder. So today I will be using banana bread, which is my fave right now. And I'm going to go in with a sponge and just take the excess off, and then basically just press the product into your skin. And just keep pressing. Instantly you see such a difference. I'm literally putting the product and pushing it into my skin. I will then go in with a brush afterwards and take this away. I've not contoured yet, so I do need to contour, and I haven't forgot about it, but I'm just setting. So I've just applied some contour in these areas on my temple, onto the bridge of my nose, and then the tip of my nose. I'm going to add a slight amount there, and then just in this area here, and just create like an angle, and that's it. And I'm literally just pushing this into my skin. So I'm not actually swiping or wiping across, I'm literally just pushing this in, and I apply it slightly higher than my actual cheekbone, and I'll show you why in a second. Just take the excess down, and then same on to your temples, just take it up into your eye. Does anybody else feel like they've been staying at home and all they've been doing is just eating? Because that's what I feel like I've been doing. I feel like all I've been doing is eating. Okay, I look a bit cray-cray right now. So I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend this all out, because yeah, I'm going a bit crazy. So I'm literally just putting this product into my skin and pushing and blending. Now I'm going to go in with my actual beauty blender and apply the powder all under my eye. I'm just going in with my setting powder, banana bread, all under my eye and up to the bridge of my nose. Yeah, just push the product into your skin. Just under where you've done your contour, just create a line like this, and it really helps to define the area here. And then just let that, and then just blend it out. I go in with NARS Orgasm as my blusher. I'm just going to pop this onto the apples of my cheek. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend that out. I do my highlight. I'm going to use my all-nighter powder and buff this into my skin all over. And it's super lightly, and I'm literally just doing this all over my skin. And I'm going to add some highlight to my face. So when you're doing this, make sure it's more of a pushing process instead of a pulling. So don't pull or drag your brush, your sponge. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Guys, honestly look insane. Wow, I would never wear a colour like this normally. And it is super